Good morning, students. Today we will show the part B interfacing 6th program. Write an ALP to interface ADC0804 and convert an analog input to the digital connected to it. So here the 8051 microcontroller kit is interfaced with an analog to digital converter IC ADC0804, and you will convert the analog input where we are varying through the port. That corresponding digital output is shown in the 8051 microcontroller FlashMagic terminal. So this is the program. You will go to the key. The software required are Keel Microvision 3, Atman and FlashMagic. Then double click on Keel, project, close project, next project, new microvision project. We'll write it as ABC, save it, select microcontroller as 89ED2, OK, yes, file, name, directly paste it. It is an assembly program, so you have to make it as a command. Save abc1.asm as it is assembly program. Save. Next, check for errors, no errors. Next, save file to the target. Select ASM, ABC1, add, close. Next again, check for errors, add the target. Set the frequency as 7.0592 MHz. Output create hex file. Okay. This is all about Keel Microvision 3. Next we'll go to the next software, wherein we'll select Atman and select for the device 89C51ED2 is a device. Okay. Next select the RS-232 COM3, baud rate as 9600, and you have to press reset once before we go for connection. In the kit, connection part of 8051 microcontroller to the ADC kit will be shown in this video. Next, we'll go for file, load the hex file, ADC hex file, load it, then go for the run. So erased client program is verified. Then once you get memory pass verified, you can go for the start application. Here, however you go on varying the port, the corresponding digital output is verified. Start memory verify pass is okay. Go for the start application. Once you go for the start application, you have to observe the output. So we will go for the FlashMagic. Select COM3 9600 and for selecting the terminal, tools, terminal, COM3 9600. Okay. So here you have the terminal window where you get the analog output which is varied in the digital form. So this is output where we are varying the output in the knob of the kit. How smoothly you vary the output, the corresponding digital output will get across the input terminal. So for 1 volts you get, for example, if a digital input of 1 volts is applied, you get 33 Hz. For 2 volts it is 66 Hz, 3 volts it is 99, 4 volts CCH, 5 and it ranges from 33 to FFH. So this is all about.
So this is all about interfacing of ADC to the 8051 microcontroller kit. So for the interfacing, we need an interfacing kit of ADC 0804 and 8051 microcontroller kit. The connections of 8051 microcontroller kit is, one is from the USB cable through a USB cable to the from the system, and the other one is from the power supply. This is a cable, and once the 8051 microcontroller kit is on, the LED is glowing, and we are interfacing 8051 microcontroller kit to the ADC kit through this FRC cable. There are 26 FRC pins are there. From this to this we are connecting, and here is a knob or a pot where we are varying the input analog voltage, and you get the output across the terminal window of a system. So terminal window has been shown to you. So I go on varying the knob, the voltage will vary. So it ranges from 33 to FFH. For 1 volts it is 33, for 5 volts it is FFH. So here you are finding it as lower voltage, and as I increase analog voltage, you will get the increased voltage. It reaches up to maximum of FFH. Sometimes you have an error, sometimes some resistance occurs, so you get a maximum of FFH. We can vary smoothly. This is all about conversion of analog to digital. Digital output is seen across the terminal window of the
execution.